The potential in this body of water is incredible and it's unpredictable, and it's time to go find the big girls that we're looking for.
Alright, welcome back to day 6 of Quest for the Tartan. It's that kind of midweek for us. It's the halfway point of the Quest for the Tartan, and it's gonna be a big day today. It's nice and hot out, and a lot of the ice has been shifting, so I think a lot of the bays that we've been waiting to get to, we're finally gonna get to. So some untouched water and some warm bays, so I think a couple big pike are gonna be biting, and yeah. I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna kind of get into in-depth. We're doing like a classic shore lunch, so I'm gonna get right in depth with the shore lunch and bring you right alongside and show you how to properly do a shore lunch, and hopefully we can get some big pike in the footage too, and then we'll be eating good tonight. So that's the game plan for today. We're gonna get casting shortly, and then we'll catch you out on the water.
Welcome folks, Captain here, back in E Bay. Day 6 I think it is of the Quest for the Tartan jacket. Very cold morning, winds out of the northeast. Landed back in Bay of E Bay. Nice 50-degree water, and we're in the search of our first fish today. A little slow start, a couple chains up of lures, but we're confident that we're gonna get something here today.
Potentially get this big old girl to go. We gotta drink another one.
Was the big girl?
That wasn't the big girl.
But still pretty good. What was it, 9?
9 pound. No, that one that came in was like easily mid-teens.
Captain back here again. We've officially got the skunk out of the boat here. We have now found some fish, and we are now enjoying a malt beverage courtesy of Sean the Hurricane Swartz, who's at the front of our boat, with a quail fish. So for every quail fish, which would be 8 pounds or heavier, we need to consume one of these beverages. So we now have skunk out of the boat and first quail of the day, and we're in about 20-25 minutes of the day of fishing, and just have found some very aggressive fish here in this corner, and we've barely touched the rest of this nice little bay here.
Oh, the Eppinger's on. Fucking game over.
I just like the color of this. It's 1 ounce, but it just takes a minute to you don't think as quick.
Look at that. Fucking Eppinger. Bigger one? That's gonna go.
We are at our second quail of the day, and compliments of myself and our friend here, my new Eppinger Daredevil, new color of the year, first cast, 9.2. Little guys still, we're in the hunt for the big guys, 15 to 20 pounders. They're in here somewhere, and we'll get back at you when we come back.
There we go. Here's a little guy.
Control, man.
Just choked it. Double header, that's a good one. That's a good one. I'm coming. I'm gonna die. And I'll spin. Just go under.
can put your hand on that side. You're not going that side.
Yeah, I know.
You always have your thing off, huh? Oh, just in case he does take off out of your hand, and you're fucking not gonna hook one or not. Got a good gut.
15.5.
So 12.5.
We got a drink. All right, so it's about 3 o'clock. We've been putting around from bay to bay, kind of fishing the mouth of the bays because it's so shallow. Ended up with 112 in a bay called Jackpot, which is a nice little inner bay cove, nice sand flat. Just over here and another one, and there wasn't much luck. So we're gonna head to try to find some warmer water, kind of an area that got iced out a little earlier and it's shallower. So hopefully we can find that like 52 to 55 degrees if we're lucky, and find some big girls to bite. But till now it's been pretty slow day, but you never know when she can pick up. Where all the pike were yesterday.
Keep over here. You're getting fish.
No. I think it's another wally.
Just trying to keep us off the rock.
The water. All right, so it's dinner time. It's right around 5:30, and I'm gonna do just a proper kind of catch cook ordeal here. We're doing a foil. It's called a foil broil, so it's a little bit different than your regular like fish fry. It's something a little different, something most people don't know about, and it's just a good option if you're on one of these fishing trips or just cooking fish in general and you want just a different way to do it. So we'll take you through that process, but I gotta catch some fish here first, and figured on a slow day like today, why not go in depth in how to do the proper shore lunch. So I'm gonna catch a fish right here. Probably won't take me too long, and then I'll get them filleted up, and then we'll get to the whole foil broil process. That's a nice looking eye. Beautiful gold colors. Nice little dorsal for you. Ooh, awesome. Gotta love it. I just went, I think, 14 for 15 or 12 for 13, something crazy. He decided to pick it up. Figured I'd get some footage of him jigging for him. So we'll catch a couple more, and then we'll get to the whole filleting process. He's 2 for 2 so far. So many in here. It's absolutely insane. This is the one part of Sharpstone that we don't focus around, but it's such a place that we take for granted. Just the walleye fishing here is absolutely ridiculous. So he's gonna catch a couple more, and then hopefully the guys start showing up for dinner, and then we'll get the whole cooking process underway. Yeah.
The wonderful part about Sharpstone is this fish was literally caught 5 minutes ago, and we're cleaning it up.
Or whatever.
It cannot get any fresher or any sweeter than this. And we're going to do up some foil broil. So we're going to clean this fish, cut it into chunks, and then put it in tin foil with potatoes and peppers and spices and butter and onions, if you like onions. And you stick it on the fire over there, and it steams. And you open it up and you have one of the best shore lunches you can ever imagine.
Alright, so that's a wrap for day 6. As you can see, I was lazy and went to bed early again last night. So I didn't do a little closer. But close off day 6, there was a big girl caught. We had 21 pound 0 ounce flat for Wally. Spring break 97! So that was a big fish for him. We also had 15 pounder and I think a 5 pound walleye. So those were kind of the additions to the board. I think Wally's sitting pretty high right now. He's got the biggest walleye and biggest pike, so he's sitting, I think, somewhere in the high 20s. I think E's right behind him, and then Big Red, and then I've fallen down, Kane's fallen down, Hot Rod, Simmer. The rest of the pack's pretty far down, so it seems like there's like 3 people that are dominating the board pretty good right now, but there's 4 days left and the bays are heating up, so I think there's gonna be a couple more 20 pounders this trip and some high teens coming up. So today, that's the end of day 6, so we're in the last half of the trip now, and thanks for the watch, and as always, subscribe for the upcoming videos, and yeah, just appreciate the view. Have a good one.